changing. There's so much inside ourselves that we can heal within. I believe in the good in other people, 'cause what's the alternative to watch your heart go black? Like you're dreaming of city, and do you facing all the crimson? There's so much inside ourselves that we can heal within.